What's happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to tell you how much I earned off of YouTube with 1 million views on one video. Alright, you guys, so I put out a video a couple of weeks ago talking about how much I earn on YouTube with 27,000 subscribers. It seemed that you guys really enjoyed that video and I got a lot of comments about people asking to do more videos like that, so that's why I'm doing another video talking about YouTube revenue, how much you can make, and specifically how much I earned off of one video that got over 1 million views. So if you are new to this channel and you are not familiar with who I am, my name is John. I do all E90 and F30 BMW content. However, we did sell the F30 and now we are working on this E90 M3. So I basically build up BMWs, I do DIYs, repairs, car shows, modifications, things of that nature. Therefore, my audience is mainly automotive based, but I do have a few videos here and there talking about YouTube revenue, affiliate marketing, and things like that, so I kind of dabble into a bunch of different things. I like to try and diversify my content as much as possible. So when I made the video a couple of weeks ago talking about how much I make with 27,000 subscribers, I actually am now at 28,719 subscribers. So we've gone up a little bit from there, which is quite normal with my channel. I usually get about 1,000 subscribers every 2 weeks or so, somewhere in there. The video in question here though was the building an F30 in 10 minutes video that I had 900 and some thousand views when we last did a video like this. However, we now tipped over the 1 million view mark, and I believe it happened right around Christmas. We are now at 1,023,529 views on that video. So let's talk a little bit about the nature of that video and why maybe I think it went viral. So I posted that video up on October 7th of 2019, and it looks like YouTube started recommending it and kind of flooding it out to the masses on October 15th. So it took about 8 days for people to actually see that video and for it to actually get some real numbers. Once it got to the 15th, it was doing almost 20,000 views per day, which is unheard of for my channel. My normal view counts on videos are somewhere in like the 2,000 to 6,000 view range in like the first 24 hours, and then it usually steadily increases from there, and it doesn't really go that much further than 100,000 over like a few months. But this video was definitely different. After the first week or so, I could see that it started taking off. And the cool thing is you never really know when that's gonna happen. I've seen other videos that take sometimes a month, 2 months, or even a couple of days, and then they just shoot up. Because YouTube, for whatever reason, decides that this is a good video, people are going to enjoy it, so they start to recommend it. And I think that there's a lot that goes into the algorithm and what is actually going to work and what actually doesn't get recommended. However, this video seemed to tick all of the boxes, and really the way that I came up with the idea for this video was I just saw what other people were doing. I follow a lot of other channels on YouTube, specifically automotive and BMW based. I saw that people were basically taking their entire build and condensing it into 10 minutes, which is really just taking a bunch of the videos that you made along the way of building a car and kind of condensing it into 10 minutes with like a time lapse. So it's just a really fast-paced video and it kind of shows the progression quickly. So after I saw a bunch of these other channels doing a building a car in 10 minutes video, I decided I should try it out. And it was really exciting because this was the first time that I actually saw any of my videos get real views. I don't really consider myself a big YouTuber. I only have 27,000 subscribers, and in the world and sea of YouTube, that is very, very small. So there are much bigger channels out there and much bigger videos out there that get way more views. So for someone like me, it was really, really exciting when I actually saw that happen and I got to watch it and then I got all of these new subscribers. It was just fun. And so now I'm gonna be doing that with every single build I do because why not? It's probably gonna go viral or at least get decent views every time I do it. So if we look into the analytics of the views for that building an F30 in 10 minutes video, it shot up about 8 days after I posted it, and then it had a little bit dip down and it dipped back up, which is pretty typical. It's gonna be like a roller coaster with a lot of these videos, but since then it's steadily been the same or gone up a little bit. So it's continuing to get views to this day. If I look at the last 7 days of how this video is performing, you can see it's still getting anywhere from 4,000, 5,000 to 8,000 views per day, which is awesome. It's great for my channel to be getting that kind of view count in one day. And it's actually up 22% right now. So you'll see that a lot too. It goes up and down, up and down. Same thing with the revenue. Like it's always up and down, up and down. It's never the exact same. YouTube analytics and revenue can be very unpredictable, so you never really know how that's gonna turn out. I've also had older videos that just kind of sit around and don't really go anywhere, and I just kind of wrote them off as flops that just randomly decide to take off. Which is funny because I'll be honest with you, I don't really look into a lot of my analytics all the time. And then randomly you'll be scrolling through all of your videos and you'll see one that has like over 100,000 views out of nowhere. So let's talk about why you're here. How much did I make on that viral video that got over 1 million views? In its lifetime, I have made $2,226.79. That video really didn't take me that much time to make. I really just took a bunch of my old videos that I had already put the work in and just condensed it into 10 minutes. But it turns out it was everything that YouTube was looking for in terms of algorithm and who knows what, and they promoted it. And so it started getting promoted on recommended videos and search, and that was really all it took for that video to just blow up. So to date, $2,226 on that video. In the last 7 days, it's made about $85. Per month, it looks like it's making about $400, which is pretty consistent. The first month that the video actually went viral, I almost got like $800 for the video because there were so many views right away. But then it kind of evened out, and now it's just been like steady at $400 every month. I can only assume that the video will probably decrease in revenue over time. I don't think it's gonna consistently pay me $400 for life every month, but it is cool to see those numbers, and it is cool to kind of get an idea of how much you can make off of a video that gets 1 million views. I think it's also really important to talk a little bit about the audience, the retention time, and your CPM. So something that I've focused on with my videos is to always make sure that your video is over 10 minutes long. Now that doesn't mean that you just want to put a white screen for 5 minutes and then content for 5 minutes. You actually have to be talking or doing something that is entertaining that people will watch the video for. I think that the YouTube algorithm kind of favors to videos that are around the 10-minute mark. That's like the sweet spot from what I've figured out. I could be totally wrong, but just the videos that I've put out that have been around 10 minutes have always done better. Also, when you make a video that is 10 minutes or longer, you are able to put in mid-roll ads. So if you have a video that is not 10 minutes long, you can only have an ad before or after the video. Now with ads, you don't want to overdo it. If you have too many ads in a video, people are going to get annoyed and eventually just stop watching your video, which will kill your retention time and will likely kill its chances for taking off. So there's definitely a lot of things to learn with YouTube when you're creating videos. What works? How long should you make it? What kind of titles work? What kind of thumbnails work with people? There's a lot to be learned when you are making these videos for YouTube. I also find that whenever you have an idea for a video, you should search it through YouTube and see who else has made videos like that and how they titled it and what they were talking about. And then you can go ahead and look at the views that that video has, and that'll kind of give you an idea if maybe your video has a chance of getting better views. If you have an idea for a video and you go search it on YouTube and everyone else who's made a video just like that one basically flops, then you can probably expect your video to not do as well either. So it's always smart to research your ideas through Google and YouTube and see if other people have made videos like that and just how those videos are performing, how they were titled, what kind of thumbnails they used. All of these things matter, and all of these things go into a successful YouTube video. Now, I don't spend all my time making videos that I think will do well. Sometimes I'm just putting LED lights in a car, or I'm doing a wiper blade or an oil change. Like, none of those things I don't think will actually go viral. Those are actually videos that I think bring value. So it's always smart to address videos with value. That should be like the #1 thing that you're trying to accomplish, is giving people value. Because that's what's gonna keep them around, that's what's gonna make them want to subscribe to your channel and actually watch your videos. So the last thing that I wanna cover about this video going viral, and really what dictates how much you're gonna make, is your CPM. For this video, it was about $7, which is pretty typical for me. Anywhere from like $7 to $9 for CPM is rather good for what I'm doing, but I have seen people who have gotten upwards of $20 for CPM, which is insane. And like I said before, you guys, there's a lot of variables that go into a viral video, making videos on YouTube in general, and actually succeeding with YouTube and getting your videos shown to a larger audience. Anyways, guys, I know you love the money videos, so I just wanted to throw this one out there and kind of show you how much I made on a video that got 1 million views plus. I definitely did not make this video to flex on any of you guys. I'm not making a lot of money with YouTube. YouTube does not pay me a lot. I just do this for fun on the side. And that was kind of also why I made that video talking about how much I make on YouTube as a smaller YouTuber. But the real hope here is that this video did bring some sort of value to you. Maybe you're a earlier on YouTuber and you're just wondering how much you can make off of these bigger videos. Like I said before, a lot of variables. It just depends on the person, the CPM, the retention rate. I've seen videos that have under 300,000 views that get paid out $2,500 per month. So mine hasn't even made that in the lifetime of the video. It all just depends on the actual video, what you're talking about, how viral did it go, what's the retention rate, what's the CPM, a lot of factors involved. Anyways guys, that is it for today's video. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this content. Make sure you comment down below, tell me what you thought about this video. Do you want to see more videos like this? Like this video, hit the bell notification, and just like that, this video is over, and I'm out. Peace.